This school is beautiful. I'm excited to start. I prayed for this opportunity. Different homes, same dream. Friends forever. Let's never change. Money makes life easy. Kindness makes life meaningful.
No cheating.
We've prepared well. Slow down! We'll be fine. Please, don't leave us. Together.
Forever. Forever. Always.
Welcome guys, my name is Mimi and today I'm going to be showing you how I did that AI movie you just watched, okay? And there's one thing you should know. If you're using a free app to create your AI movies, you should be patient like me, because me, I always hunt for free apps, and when I hunt for them, okay, I actually try to understand the app perfectly before I work on the app, okay? So that movie you just saw was done with a free app. I'm going to be sharing the app with you. I'm going to be showing you guys how I did it. And when I say free app, it's accessible because they give you coin to generate movies, okay? And my subscribers already know our trick to a longer video and how you can keep generating when you're using a free version. So please stay with me to the end of this video because I'm going to be detailed as possible. And as for the intro you saw before the movie started, if you like the intro, I can share the prompt with you. I will put the prompt on my description box. You can just recreate it and use it to generate your own movies, okay? So if you have not subscribed, please do, so you'll be getting notification whenever I post any free and accessible update on this my channel. So let's go. I'll be sharing my screen with you guys. So this is the app I use, Premiere Pro. You can see it. Just when you log in, they will ask you for this. Just go ahead to click them. You can see what I'm doing. Then it's going to bring you here. This is how the interface will look like. The plus sign will take you to your gallery. Then you go and insert your image. So we minimize to go and copy our prompts. We paste it. When you click on agent, you see this. Just go ahead to pick video. Then you go ahead to select the model you want to use, okay? There are different models there. You can select the one that are open, the one without padlock. I'll be using Sedans 1.5. Then you click here to arrange your aspect ratio and all that. You generate. Then you have a little patience because they take their time to analyze your prompt, okay? When they analyze it, when you see things like picture coming out and other stuff, it's normal. They will analyze it before they generate your videos. You can see they analyzed it, they even differentiated it for me in case I want to make any corrections, but I don't have any corrections to make. I just want to show you guys about the app, okay? So let's play to see the outcome.
I'm Amara. Hi there. Welcome to my world. I'm Zainab.
Friends forever.
Welcome, guys. You can see it's not difficult, okay? So if you have any questions or comments or contribution, please put it down on my comment section. I'll be interacting with everyone on my comment section. Stay blessed and see you another day.